Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best tile saws for precise cutting in 2024. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Electric Tile Cutter Professional Ceramic Marble Cutting Machine. This electric tile cutter is a powerful tool designed for precise cutting of ceramic, marble, and brick materials. Its robust motor ensures clean and accurate cuts, making it ideal for professional use. The circular saw feature allows for versatile cutting applications, ensuring you can handle various projects with ease. The advantages of this tile cutter are high precision cutting, versatile use for multiple materials, durable and reliable motor. The disadvantages of this tile cutter are requires a power source, may be heavy for prolonged use. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Electric Woodworking Circular Saw Cutting Machine. This multifunctional circular saw is perfect for woodworking, marble, and tile cutting tasks. With its powerful motor and sharp blades, it ensures smooth and efficient cuts on a variety of materials. It's an essential tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The advantages of this circular saw are multi-material cutting capability, high-powered motor for smooth cuts, suitable for both DIY and professional use. The disadvantages of this circular saw are may require frequent blade changes, can be noisy during operation. At number 3. 3700 RPM Mini Circular Saw 4.8 amp Compact. This compact mini circular saw offers 3700 RPM speed and a powerful 4.8 amp motor, making it perfect for small to medium cutting tasks. Equipped with a laser guide, scale ruler, vacuum port, and 3 blades, it ensures precision and cleanliness while cutting wood, tile, and more. The advantages of this mini circular saw are compact and portable design, laser guide for accurate cutting, versatile with multiple blades. The disadvantages of this mini circular saw are limited cutting depth, may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Bosch Marble Cutting Machine GDC 140. The Bosch GDC 140 is a high-power portable saw designed for cutting marble and tiles. With a 1400W motor and 115mm disc diameter, this tool ensures precise and efficient cutting. Its portable design makes it ideal for on-site work, providing professionals with reliability and performance. The advantages of this marble cutting machine are high power for efficient cutting, portable and easy to carry, trusted Bosch brand reliability. The disadvantages of this marble cutting machine are limited to specific disc sizes, higher price point compared to other brands. At number 1. 220V Multifunctional Electric Circular Saw. This multifunctional electric circular saw is a versatile tool designed for cutting wood, metal, marble, tile, and brick. With its high-power motor, it delivers efficient performance across various materials, making it suitable for both household and professional use. The advantages of this circular saw are versatile for multiple materials, high power ensures fast cutting, suitable for a wide range of tasks. The disadvantages of this circular saw are requires 220V power source, can be bulky for some users.